I don't think people understand why dogs pant all the time. It's all about thermoregulation. Thermoregulation is the fancy term for how organisms keep their body temperature just right. When we humans get hot, we sweat. Sweat, which is 99% water, evaporates and cools us down. But dogs, they've got a different strategy. Dogs have sweat glands too, but they're only under their paws. And let's face it, paws are pretty tiny and mostly busy standing or running around. So, sweating through them just doesn't cut it. Enter panting. And when dogs pant, they stick out their long tongues and breathe rapidly. This heavy breathing helps the water in their saliva evaporate, taking that pesky body heat with it. So, next time you see your pup panting, know they're just cooling down. Smart, right? Keep your furry friend hydrated and cool, especially on hot days. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more cool dog facts.